People chicken price skyrocket. Somebody said to me I cook one johncrow.
Where the blood clot this? Where the blood clot this?
Right there, so. Clean up the johncrow, bust the belly and take everything outside. Believe me, people, it kind of fronzy, but me I work punny. So me got a book now. Chop it up fine, cause me say me a curry, but me change my mind and say me a brown stew it. So me I put every season me can find and put pan it. I don't really know what season put pan johncrow meat, so me just I work with everything where me have in my cabinet. Don't mind me, people. You can't use what you want to use, but me use what me want to use, cause me want to get rid of the front smell. Right there, so. After me go some up now, I season it up and throw it up, people, me say johncrow tough.
Blood clot! No, sir!
All me a fry it, all me a do to it, me throw water upon it, me do everything, the johncrow still tough.